You're struggling to gain views or YouTube is not recommending your video anymore, there are two strategies I'm going to share with you on this video, because these two things you have to check it out on your channel, because this is me getting views, getting 500 to 1k views, but now I started gaining 20, 10, like my views drastically dropped. When I started looking for solution, like I checked my analytics, I saw that YouTube is no longer recommending my videos. My video is no longer seen in suggested video or recommended video. When I used another phone to check my channel, to check my videos, I saw that my videos is being pushed to random people, like the cooking video, then I will see my video. I thought that YouTube is no longer made for me, because I lost everything from 1k views to 10 views, 6 views. Like this is what I have been getting on my channel. So I started looking for solution before I found out two strategy I'm going to be sharing on this video. Make sure that you watch this video till the end. The first strategy is for those that have been gaining views, gaining subscribers, and suddenly their views dropped, their subscribers started dropping. Instead of to increase, it started reducing. The first strategy is for them, and the second strategy is for those that have not been gaining views. Like if you have not been gaining views since you started YouTube journey, the second strategy is for you. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we make tutorial video on how to grow on YouTube channel. So if this is what you are really interested on, please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. So to my returning subscribers, I appreciate a lot. Thanks for always coming back. So let's dive into the tutorial. On your Chrome, type in YouTube desktop version, then log in and head over to your dashboard, your YouTube Studio dashboard. By the left hand side, you tap on it and choose any of your video, like one of your video that you'll be making use of, maybe one of the ones that you don't get enough views. So click on it. I'll be choosing this one on my video. If you click on it, then you tap on this edit icon, this pen icon, tap on it and it will bring you to this interface on this video. So what you have to do is to click on beside it, this analytics icon beside it, because we'll be working on this video. This analytics is it's not all over like your channel analytics, about this video. So you tap on it and then click on reach. As you can see here, my city, if you come down here on this dashboard, you will see that my CTR for this video is just 0.6%. that means out of every 100 people who see this thumbnail and title, less than 1% actually clicks. So you see, anytime that your click-through rate is 0 point something, that means you didn't get enough click on that video. Now YouTube usually pushes videos that have a CTR between 4% and 10%. So when your CTR is below 4%, YouTube assumes people are not interested and it will stop suggesting your video. To fix this, you need to improve your thumbnail and your title. Try making your title clear, shorter, and more curiosity driving. So if you are creating your thumbnail, make sure you use bold text, so that if you are creating your thumbnail, make sure that you use bold text. You are just considering those that are using small phone, so that they can be able to see it even when they are using small phone. And only if you know that your video is not performing well, you can always change your thumbnail. That's why I also said make sure that you put 2 or 3 thumbnails, since YouTube has given us the chance to be adding 2 or 3 thumbnails on our video. And the new one now is that they have also added a title testing, so you can do that on your videos. All your videos, you can always put 2 or 3 thumbnails or titles, so that anyone that is going, you like, if people did not click on this one, they might click on the other one. So because I know that this has helped me a lot. So the second strategy you have to check is just go back, click back, then click on the same video on that engagement. Then if you click on it, you come down where you see average view duration. So if you click there, you see that my average view duration of this video is 1 minute 37 seconds, and the average percentage view is just 16.9%. That means people are leaving very early in the video. Look at the graph. By the 30-second mark, only 36% of viewers are still watching, which is below typical. This drops tells YouTube that people are not staying long, like people are not watching this video, people are not interested, like the video is not interested. Yes, that is it. It's not interested. So YouTube will stop recommending that video. This thing is telling you is that your 30 seconds of your video is not catchy, like it's not retaining people, because it's that 30 seconds that will make people to watch more, whether to watch more or just to click or just to click out. So when they did not watch up to 30% and did not they clicked out, YouTube will stop recommending that video. So that's why I always advise to import the first 30 seconds of your video should be very, very engaging. Like, tell people what they have to gain at the end of the video, so that they can be able to stay more long and watch that video, because that is the only reason that can make YouTube to still be recommending that video. If people are staying long on the video, it will make YouTube to still recommend that video to so many people. At least let them watch up to 1 or 2 minutes of 8 minutes video. So as for me, I have started changing my titles and my thumbnails, and I'm seeing improvement. So you have to do this on your own as well. Like, you have to try all these things on your videos, so you start gaining views and start gaining subscribers. So if your view suddenly drops, check these two things inside your YouTube studio: your CTR and your retention. If your CTR is low, improve your thumbnails and titles. Put more thumbnails, like 3 thumbnails and titles. If your retention is low, make your videos more engaging. Like, the first 30 seconds of your video should be more engaging, and cut out all the boring parts. So do these 2 things and YouTube will start recommending your videos. YouTube will start recommending your videos. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful. See you in my next one. Bye.